is next to Mr. Opeyemi Paul. I know that one of the challenges that most tech startups have is being able to gather the right people who have the same vision as the founder. Knowing that this challenge exists, you have this particular challenge. If yes, how were you able to surmount that?
So, back to our story at OneApp. I needed a platform where I can easily make all my payments without stress. When we launched that, we found an early breakthrough because from the first month, we had the kind of volume that I've never seen before. And that shows us that, okay, I think we are building something very interesting. Now, going to Bold. When we launched OneApp, we are focusing on the consumer industry, like how people can pay bills and all of that. If you ask any business owner today, what is your challenge? The first answer is capital. So that's why we now look at, okay, we have this connection with all of these banks. How about we talk to them, ask if it is possible, and they give us a yes, and we build the product. Now we have about 3,000 businesses using Bold to get paid, using it to have a business account, and very soon they'll be able to even use it to raise capital, making it very easy for anybody that is running business in Nigeria today to grow.